Alright, what's good with y'all? Today we're back with another video, another mixing tutorial. I know I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks, but I had to take a break. I low-key got burned out, I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, we're back at it again, and today we're actually going over how you can sound like YoungBoy Never Broke Again in FL Studio, aka NBA YoungBoy. For y'all that don't know, I have actually dropped a website. It's called virtual.shop. On that website, I will sell high quality vocal presets that you can use to elevate your sound in one click. I know a lot of people say that that's just one click, but for real, like, okay, so enough yapping. We're gonna get right into the video. The song I chose to remake is called Nevada, and it sounds like this.
Niggas dying, falling stars through the night, and I've been thinking about you every night. If you happy, I know that I should be alright, cause this tragic and I can't sing for the side.
Yeah, so that's the song. I'm gonna show you how it sounds without the preset first, and then we're gonna turn it on. So this is how it sounds without.
And I think should I leave it on here?
Okay, so as y'all can hear, that doesn't sound very good, but as soon as we just slap this bitch on, we're gonna hear instantly how good it sounds. This is how it sounds when you turn on the presets.
Dying from the stars through the night, and I've been thinking about you every night.
If you want more wideness and more reverb, you just turn these sliders.
Dying from the stars through the night, and I've been thinking about you every night. If you happy, I know that I should be alright, cause this tragic and I can't seem for to decide. And I think should I leave it on here?
Yeah, as y'all can hear, that instantly made me sound like a YoungBoy. One thing I gotta point out in this video is I don't make these presets for y'all to copy the artist I'm remaking, because I want y'all to make your own shit. Like, this is just for you to get a clean mix and in the style of the artist, better your sound overall. Do not copy the artist, but like the before and after is so crazy. And I'm gonna show y'all without just the raw vocal in itself. We can listen to without and with.
Dying from the stars through the night, and I've been thinking about you every night. If you happy, I know that I should be alright.
Yeah, y'all can hear it sounds so fucking good. Yeah, we can compare my version towards the original, just between switching my remake and the original song. So let's do that.
Dying from the stars through the night,
And I've been
thinking about you every night.
if you happy, I know that I should be alright.
Cause this tragic and I can't seem for to decide. And I think
I should leave,
should I leave it on here?
In my opinion, my mix is much cleaner, but I don't know, maybe he's going for that vintage sound. And if you actually want to achieve that vintage sound, you can just go into the EQ and basically cut out the low end first of all, and then you can go in on X-Rack as well and just lower the low end, lower the high end, and then you get that.
Dying from the stars through the night, and I've been
thinking about you every
every night. If you happy, I know that I should be alright.
And if you want to,
This tragic
you can turn off these,
for to decide.
but I do not recommend that.
Should I leave it on here?
But I like the crispiness, so I'm gonna keep it as I had it. So this is the whole pack. You will get a main preset and some routes to make it wider, because otherwise it sounds very, very in the middle. But yeah, that's basically the NBA YoungBoy vocal preset in FL Studio. The vocal preset will be available on my website, which is linked in the description. First link in the description. Also, we have a Discord server. If y'all want to join, we got like over 2K members right now. So I really recommend y'all to join and get feedback on your music, download free presets, and just communicate with the server. If y'all want more videos like this, just let me know in the comments and hit the like button and subscribe and share it to your friends and do all that bullshit. Yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one.